Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw Valimai Ajith sir from the latest Valimai look, and this video is going to be super epic. This drawing is one of my best on it, so sit back and enjoy this video, my friends. First things first, let's start with the outlines. Actually, it took me a while to complete the outlines because I wanted this drawing to be perfect. I'm done with the outlines. The next thing is coloring. It's going to take a while, but it is totally worth it. I just love the art. Please stay till the end of this video. This video is going to be epic and you won't be disappointed. And friends, after watching this video, if you like this video and if you like this drawing, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives and family. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and support my work. Keep watching. Hey friends, actually I took 12 hours for drawing this and 4 more hours for editing, and I hope you like this drawing and like this video, and if you do so, please give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below and share this video to your friends and family and stories, and subscribe to the channel and support my work. It's just going to take a minute or so, but it motivates me a lot, and keep supporting my friends, there is a way more to go. Thank you so much for watching, friends. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa